Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to an update on Bonk. All right, I covered this a couple of times last week, and I just wanted to give you my thoughts on it. What's going on right now? We just got a bottom indicator, which sometimes means something, sometimes it doesn't. But overall, I mean, one thing that's for certain is that Bonk actually did regain some bullish momentum in the last week since Monday the 8th. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts on it. I mean, we like I said, we got a bottom indicator. We got some bullish momentum over the course of yesterday evening, but I'm not that convinced yet. All right. I also took a trade on Bonk, which I'll tell you about in this video. But we'll just do a full update. All right. Because one of the things which also makes Bonk interesting right now is the fact that some other Solana meme coins are actually doing pretty well. All right. If you look at the top 500 gainers, what you'll see is Solent again, but that's not really something. But Dog with Hat, then you can also see Pyth Network is doing pretty well. Jito is doing well. I think I also saw Myro doing well earlier last week. So Solana coins are doing fine again, or are doing pretty well even. And Bonk itself, I would say it's still lacking. Here, Myro did very well. So what's going on? And can Bonk still get some sort of a delayed rally? That's what I wanted to talk about. So that's what we'll do. If you look at Bonk right now, and we just purely look at the technicals, right? I mean, I always try to be realistic. I like Bonk quite a bit. And the trade I took is a grid bot, all right? So right now, I think that Bonk actually, there's definitely potential for a rally. But at this moment, look, the ADX is kind of flattening out and even decreasing. And the EMAs are pretty flat here too, all right? So that usually indicates a consolidation. So at this moment, I took a trade assuming that we're going to stay in this region, which is bullish and bearish, because it's bullish because we will not drop down further, I think. But it's bearish because I also don't think that there's a huge chance at a rally right now. And I know some of you will not like that, but if you look at Bonk right now, we had a lot of momentum and we had a lot of open interest earlier this week. So that was on Wednesday and Thursday. But since then, the open interest has dropped down and it has flattened out. All right. So we had a lot of momentum, but and that can return, but it's not here at the moment. All right. And I'm making the video at this moment. All right. So what would need to happen to get a big rally with Bonk? I would say, and if you cannot follow this, just look it up, because it's not that difficult. Look at the open interest for Bonk, and this needs to increase. Right now it's at around 170 million. In my eyes, it needs to be above 200 million for us to have a chance to break above 17,500 and to rally up to 22,000, because this is what we want. This is the breakout, the breakout rally that we want. And at this moment, and I'm just telling you as it is and what I see, at this moment, this is not most likely. At this moment, what's most likely is that, sure, we'll get some bullish momentum, but we will not break our main resistance level at 17,500, and we'll just slowly drop back down when the time is ripe. All right, so that's most likely. Like I said, I mean, keep an eye on it, all right, because some Solana ecosystem coins right now are doing great. And that means that there definitely is a chance for Bonk to rally, but given the current situation, it's not most likely. All right, so keep an eye on that open interest. If it gets above 200 million, then the alerts should go off, the alarms should go off, and you should start looking for entries. But those are my thoughts. All right, so if you do have any questions, then let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group if you're interested in that. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.